When a child was born in Gulbarga on 19 March 1958, Karnataka, and no one could have imagined that he would one day establish a group of institutions in Bangalore. That child is none other than Professor Baswaraj Ramnath. In 2003, he founded the Karnataka Education Trust, KET, with a noble aim to create educational institutions across various fields, including medical and paramedical, engineering, arts and science, and management. Within a short time, KET laid the foundation for the Karnataka College Group of institutions, cultivating an academic environment that fosters innovation, collaboration, and a multidisciplinary approach to learning. In 2004, the Karnataka College of Pharmacy, KCP, was established, offering degree and diploma courses in pharmacy. Under the leadership of its founding principal, Dr. K. Ramesh, the college has grown significantly, now offering a wide range of programs including D Pharm, B Pharm, Form D, PB, M Pharm, and PhD programs. KCP is affiliated with Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, and is approved by the Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. The college has an MOU with Bangalore Baptist Hospital, providing Form D students with valuable clinical training. A proud achievement for KCP was receiving an A grade accreditation from the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAAC, during its very first cycle, showcasing the institution's high standards, the dedication of its management and faculty, and the quality of its students. The lush green campus attracts students from across India and from over 35 countries around the world, offering a welcoming and diverse environment.
KCP is a campus where international students as me are the most welcome. People from Mali, from Sudan, from Nigeria, from Ethiopia, and even more are the most welcome. Because the faculty members of KCP are amazing.
The faculty at KCP are dynamic, highly qualified, and experienced, with many holding PhDs. They are actively involved in publishing books, conducting research, and securing patents. The college features a well-designed building with excellent infrastructure, IT-enabled classrooms equipped with LCD projectors, and Wi-Fi-enabled campus. A learning management system, LMS, is available, along with smart boards.
Being a student at this esteemed college, I have got opportunities to learn and grow, thanks to the faculty and the modern facilities. The college not only focuses on the academics, but also prepares us for our future careers through seminars with top-notch speakers and also the hands-on experiences like the medical camps.
The college also boasts an auditorium and a seminar hall with state-of-the-art audiovisual equipment for academic events like guest lectures, seminars, and presentations. KCP provides top-tier laboratory facilities for teaching, research, and consultancy. It includes a cell culture lab for research, an animal house facility approved by CPCSEA, and simulation software for experimental pharmacology. The Central Instrument Laboratory and Machine Room are equipped with advanced instruments for training in research, formulation development, and quality control. The library is spacious and well-stocked with textbooks, periodicals, and reference materials to support advanced research. Students and faculty have access to e-resources through Helinet, and drug database apps are also available. Both men's and women's hostels are available near the campus, ensuring a comfortable stay for students. The campus also offers a range of sports facilities, including football, basketball, cricket, badminton, volleyball, table tennis, and more. Every year, a sports and cultural week is organized to encourage students to showcase their talents, and students are supported in participating in intercollegiate and inter-university events. KCP's internal quality assurance cell plays a central role in maintaining and enhancing institutional quality. The college's Institutional Research Committee encourages and supports research activities for both students and faculty. KCP students consistently excel, securing university ranks across all programs year after year. The placement cell actively helps students secure employment through both on-campus and off-campus interviews. KCP also has a dedicated alumni association with loyal alumni supporters and a vibrant NSS unit through which students participate in extension and outreach programs. KCP strives to instill professional and social values in all its stakeholders, promoting professional ethics. Over the past 20 years, Karnataka College of Pharmacy has emerged as one of the top institutions in India for pursuing a pharmacy education.
I am grateful for all the help and the advice that my teachers gave me throughout these years, and I am grateful for my management as well, for they have helped us for our project work and other stuffs as well. And I am also grateful for my teachers and my mentors for helping out with our project work. And also it was exciting because we were able to collaborate with other renowned colleges as well. Lastly, my message for the prospective students would be that to take up every opportunity and enjoy the journey of college life, as this is the important part of your life. And also to take up challenges, eat it up like crumbs and grow through it. Also, try to take up every opportunity that our college gives. And because if you are willing to do it, there will be always a way. Thank you.
Call या WhatsApp 7099092900. ऐसे इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे पेज और चैनल को फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।